Shiny Sisters!
Hey everyone, a couple weeks ago I made this custom Ariana Grande doll and I decided to give her away to one of you guys. And right now I'm going to be announcing the winner. So there's a total of 3,137 entries and I'm going to pick the winner right in front of you guys. So it looks like the winner is, and hold on, let's just pause for a second. I want to say thank you to everyone who entered. I know there's only one winner, but if you guys are all positive and happy for the winner, we could definitely do more giveaways in the future. And the winner is Stephanie. Stephanie, thank you so much for entering and subscribing to our channel. Everyone, right now, write a comment congratulating Stephanie and let me know what giveaways you want to see. Soon, I'll be sending her off with all her cool accessories. By shooting stars, have a great day.